So the eyes are complete. 눈 완성. And that is how you contour and snatch that face, baby. And now blend it. Blushing Baby makeup tutorial. So I just started off by using this, the Sim product is a little color corrector, so I put green over any little redness or active acne. And then now I just use a little peach color under my eyes to help with brightening. I think my brows today, I don't want them to be too strong. I want them to actually be really natural. So I'm only going to use a little bit of this pencil. Like a very natural shape, not too thick. So to me this looks like natural, more natural than I normally do, because I normally do it maybe a little thicker, but today this is the look I'm going for. Okay, so soften that out with the spoolie. Okay, beautiful. So the brows are done. The only final step I'm going to do is use this NYX taupe eyebrow mascara. And this will make them blonder and a little bit fuller. And they'll also make them stay in place. So today, because I am going to do a shoot, I am going to use my favorite Romance palette. First, let me do some concealer under my eyes. So I'm going to do this concealer. Beauty blender. And then I'm going to put it over here. And this is also going to act as like an eyeshadow primer as well. That's just creating that perfect blank canvas for me. Also, I already have these lenses in my eyes. I got them at my favorite Olens in Korea. These are actually 6-month long lasting ones, so they'll last me longer. And they give a little eye enlarging effect. And they enhance the blue in my eyes. I'm using this kind of flat, light mauve color. Now I'm just going to tap a little light brown kind of color to kind of give my eyes some depth. So I just tap the tip of the brush with that. And then I'm putting it here. Tap the other side and putting it here. And then blending that in. Because you can always add color, but I always feel like it's hard to blend and take away. So I actually prefer to do it lighter and then build up. I'm going to take this and go underneath my eyes. Add some depth. And I usually just do it like that. Alright. And lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter, because glitter really makes the eyes pop, so I'm going to use the shade. And I'm going to go really high with this, like all the way up here. I love these kind of glittery pink shades. And I'm doing that right in the middle. And I'm going to do a little bit here. I don't want to do a lot of egg yolk today. Just a little bit underneath. And that is the eyeshadow look complete. But for me, no eye look is ever complete without a little bit of eyeliner, so I'm going to do that. And in the meantime, I'm going to turn on my heated eyelash curler. This is a game changer for the girlies that just like to wear mascara without falsies. If you have longer natural lashes, this will really help you. So I'm going to use Pearl Meat. That shape is pretty. So pretty. So now I'm just going to line the top. Ta-da. That's one eye done. All right. This eyeliner look looks really, really good, you guys. I'm really happy with it. Now time to curl, and then we're gonna add mascara. Eyes always take the longest step for me when I'm doing my makeup, because I really feel like they're like one of my best features, so I really want to compliment them. They're standing right up. My lashes are blonde, so you can't really see them until I put mascara on. But if you guys could see now, they're like standing right up. So now it's time to enhance them. And I might add a little bottom mascara later. I don't like to do the top and the bottom at the same time. Okay. So the eyes are complete. So 눈 완성. Next, what we are going to do is do the cushion foundation. And for that, I'm going to use my favorite 정샘물. Tap. And this just adds a beautiful radiant coverage to my skin. You could add it on the lips, everywhere. I'm a little insecure because my skin is not amazing the past couple days. I don't know if it's because I've been eating sugar or traveling or what, but hopefully none of the little bit of purging or breakout can be seen. So there's the foundation step done. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of shading. This is going to be super important today because I'm doing photography. So why don't we start with my nose? Do a little contour. This is my holy grail contour, by the way, the Too Cool for School cool shade contour palette. I'm telling you, cool shade contour palettes, not bronzers, are literally game changers. When I was in Korea, I did like a color analysis, and the woman told me, she was like, your nose is already narrow enough, you do not need to contour it, like it'll look better if you don't. But I don't know, I don't listen to her, and I always contour it anyway, because I just think I like the aesthetic of it. Now I'm gonna do the jaw and the chin. I always feel like I never blend this one enough, so if you're gonna do this, make sure that you blend a lot. And then just go like that. And then I take the flat side, and I honestly pull my ear back, and I really like blend all the way there. So there's really no line. You don't want any harsh line, trust me. It will not look good. And then time to contour this big forehead. So I always start on the side and go in because my forehead's a little bit wider. So this is how I like to start it. So then once you've applied the contour, I just go back in with my damp beauty blender and I blend the edges so it's a little bit more seamless and a little bit more natural. And I'm going to do the same for this. And that is how you contour and snatch that face, baby. Now let's move on to lips. For lips, I'm going to use this lip pencil. Always make the 인중이 작게. Make your distance between your upper lip really small. In terms of color today, I really love this one, the Amuse. This is the one that Wonyoung, Jang Wonyoung, she uses. So if she can use it, I can use it too. Like that. And now blend it. Blending with your finger is okay. Just do it carefully. I think it looks really pretty. Oh my gosh! I forgot one of the most important things, blush. I can't believe I almost forgot one of the most important steps. Let me do that really quick. We're just gonna go in with that Tarte baby doll blush right here on the balls of the cheeks. I really try to go high as I can for these Japanese looks. There we go. I knew something was missing. Okay, cute. What do you guys think? It's time to setting spray. Alright, I am all ready now. My makeup is all done and everything for the shoot.